Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is going to be rather exciting because we are using the first time ever JUVIA'S Place face brushes. Now if this is your first rodeo stopping by, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe and hit the notification button all the way down there. Also please subscribe to my little niece's channel, KRAFTY Unicorn. She's absolutely adorable and I would truly appreciate it. But today's episode, like I said, is about the JUVIA'S Place face brushes. When I first started working as a makeup artist all the way back when, years ago, before modeling, I stopped doing makeup and I started modeling because it paid more at that time. And the tools of the trade were everything. If you didn't have great brushes, if you didn't have great application for your makeup, irrespective of how fabulous the makeup you had, you just didn't get that flawless finish. And I am huge on brushes. Over time, I now understand texture. I now know what brushes work with what, and I know what is great for the skin and really complements the skin without the brushes being streaky, without lifting off of the previous makeup that you have already applied, without them being harsh on the face and hurtful on the face. And you really want to have durable brushes that you can wash multiple times and they won't shed. So there are lots of things that you have to know when it comes to using brushes. Face brushes is a biggie because it's very rare that you find a complete set that works. And that's why I'm so excited for the Royal Collection by JUVIA'S Place. These brushes retail for $55, much less when you use my discount code. I am going to go through all of the brushes in this tutorial. I'm not doing the eye tutorial, but we are going to play with a little treat at the end that I have for you guys. And I want you guys just to see how I apply with these brushes. I love them. I love them because they're soft, they're durable, they apply my makeup flawlessly. For the first time in a long time, I haven't used my Artiste Oval 8, and you guys, if you follow me, this is a huge staple. Don't use it anymore. I am a biggie for beauty blenders. I didn't use this in this tutorial. I wanted to really demonstrate what these do. As you guys know, I use the JUVIA'S Place eye brushes. So that's not what we're doing today. We're doing the face. If you have these, you have everything. Yes, darlings, you have everything. As you very well know, JUVIA'S Place, they are cruelty free. You can get these on their website, their UK website, as well as their USA website. My discount code works for both. Without any further ado, let us start. All right, my darling, so we're going to start with one of my favorite primers ever, the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer. It's just heaven. It's so creamy and smooth, and it just fills up all of my imperfection, my pores. These days, I'm getting more imperfections than necessary because I am up at night. Look at my eyes. Yes, darling, I am doing night shift. Adrian. He wakes up every 2.5-3 hours to breastfeed, and he's up for an hour before I can bring him down again, so hence the red eyes. But I love it. I love it. Such a pleasure being a mother. I love face brushes because they are so rare to get really good quality brushes. Marc Jacobs, what am I using? The Shameless Deep Y570. For those of you that are going to be asking, let me put it up. So I'm going to take the stippling brush, the J203. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand because it kind of sort of works like that. And then I'm just going to punch it in. There you go. You don't get that much makeup onto your skin. It doesn't pile on. And then some on my neck. There you go. Look, don't we just love? I love this. I love this. Yes, I do. There's nothing better than having great brushes. It will change the game. It will just change the way your makeup looks. Perfection. I'm going to use this one, the 225, just to layer my highlights. Yeah? Okay. And I'm using my Estee Lauder. This is Sandalwood Double Wear Liquid Foundation. And I'm just going to, oh yeah. Oh yeah. And just grease it over. Just look at that. That's nice. And I can just turn it over for that seamless finish. In the laugh lines as well. Over the brow. And then you can pat just to even it out. Then we have the small perfecting brush. And that is if you have maybe like a blemish. If you have a blemish, then you can spot treat it. Yeah? I'm just using it just to really blend out the edges right here, just to make sure they're great. I don't want to use the Beauty Blender today because I really want you to see how fabulous these brushes are. And as I had mentioned, you have the liquid foundation brush, and this one also you can use for your foundation. I'm just demonstrating here for you guys so that you can have an idea. Some of you use liquid foundations, some of you use thicker foundations, some of you use compacts. So I just want you to know that you can still do that. And it is very dense. It's so gorgeous. Now we're going to set my powder underneath the eyes. And I love brushes as opposed to sponges because then you can always brush off the residue. See? And it gives you that kind of flawless finish, which I like. You could just buff it out. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So I'm just setting my powder. And it goes on like that. And that's it. Look at how gorgeous this is. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Then I can go in with my Estee Lauder, and this is my Press Compact Powder. And I have this in Rich Mahogany. And I use this to lightly contour. You can still use the same brush. Okay, so I just swirl it around and just look. Look at the contour. Oh, I love it. I love it. Guys, use my discount code. My gift to you. I'm always giving you guys gifts. I'm a generous human being. And you just buff it out. And I like it because it's so seamless. You don't see the beginning or the end of it because it's a lovely, yummy brush. Big and fluffy. Voila. By your ears as well. Your ears need a little contour. And then you have the 213, which is yet another buffer brush. And what I like about this also is that I use the edges of it if I want to really deepen that contour. Do you see? And I can just go in on the edges, and still you can round it out when you're making mistakes. And again, you can buff. You know, it is such a great set. And the 7 that you have are the 7 that you need. What I like about this one, which is gorgeous, 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 and this is the best, is the 229. This is the fan brush. And as you can see, you can just kind of brush off the excess, and that also goes with blusher and stuff like that, yeah? I have my Juvia's Place blush palette. This is the volume 1, and I love Toby. As you can see, it's already hit pan. I love this. And you can use this again and just touch up on your cheeks. This is one of my favorite colors because it turns into a very orangey, complementary color on my complexion. Like that. And just put a little bit onto the sides and just buff. There you go. All right, guys, so I'm going to come back and I'll have my eyes done, but I won't have my lips done because I want to use the new Fenty Stunner liquid lip, and I want to share that with you guys. So let me get my eyes done and I'll be right back. Mwah. All right, darling, so this is the look. If you love this, let me know and I'll do like an in-depth tutorial for you guys. I just really wanted to show off the face brushes in this episode. So we're going to take the blush palette volume 1. I love this as well. It's a bit dirty, I know. And I'm going to go in with Solar, and that's this pinky one right here. And I'm just going to touch up. Ooh, I love it. I love. I love it, I love it, I love it. Just a soft, feminine look I'm going for. I'm going out today, so I just want to try and look fab. Oh, I like this. I like this. I don't usually go for it, but this is nice. Yeah. It's a pink with an iridescent gold. That's the only way I can describe it. Yes. Put a little bit down here. And we are working with something. Yeah. Okie dokie. So we are going to use Morphe. And this is the setting spray. Let me just put it up here. Yep. Love this. Oh. And then we are going to go in with one of the latest colors from Fenty Beauty. Rihanna is just killing the game. If you guys did not see her lingerie show that she had for Fashion Week, heaven, everything. There was a pregnant girl there as well. Totally all inclusive. She's for women. She's totally for women. Moving back, she's brought in another liquid lipstick. This is called Unveil, and a lot of you have requested this. That is why I bought this particular one, and we're going to try it out right now. Alrighty, so we're gonna put it on, and it's a nude brown. Very close to my complexion. I have the red one that she brought out first. The consistency of it was gorgeous. I loved it. And I'm going to highlight it a little bit, but I like the nude because I want the yellow just to pop. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo pencil that I've deported in here. I'm just going to highlight it a little bit in the center of my lip. And this is gorgeous matte on its own. It's lovely. It's a lovely look. It's very 60s, but I think I want to highlight this with some glass. So I'm going to use the lip glass by MAC, and we're going to go over this. Yes. That's a beautiful nude. That's a beautiful nude, and that works. So there we have it. We have the JUVIA'S Place, the first time ever face brushes. 7 pieces in this brush set. It retails for $55. You'll get it for much less with my discount code. These brushes are amazing to apply your makeup. That you don't need to use anything else, as I have demonstrated. If you guys want to know how I got this look using the JUVIA'S Place eyeshadow palettes, just let me know. So that is it, darlings. I hope you loved it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of the brushes. This one looks pretty brown, so I'm going to just buff this out right here for you guys, just to see how you can get everything out from this. You can get all the makeup off of this. Okay, so you continue swishing, and the thing is that the oil will break down the makeup. That's what it does. And I find that with the JUVIA'S Place brushes, they are so soft and they absorb, and the makeup just comes right out. The makeup just comes right out. And there you have it. Wait, hold on, let me just... Voila. Look at how fabulous that is. I have a towel right here. Just quickly. There you go. And there you have it. This is what I love so much about their brushes. So guys, just take a little bit of oil, a little bit of soap. You can use the Beauty Blender soap, that's what I use, warm water, and swish. You can use the Sigma matte, they're good as well. But I find with the JUVIA'S Place brushes, you really don't need that. Let them dry out, lying down, and there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, my loves. I hope you enjoyed how to apply your makeup with the JUVIA'S Place face brushes, and they're so very easy to clean. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Adrian, say goodbye. He's sleeping. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Don't forget my treat to you, my discount code. And yeah, enjoy. Bye.